Technology is proving to be a game changer in wildlife protection in Odisha. In a notable operation at Kuldiha Forest in Baleswar district, AI cameras helped authorities apprehend two poachers in the act. The offenders were reportedly hunting and attempting to hide their firearms when the AI cameras recorded their movements. Using the footage, the forest department tracked the poachers and arrested them. Officials seized a firearm, a bow, an arrow, and several traps used for illegal hunting. The arrested individuals have been identified as residents of Jodachua Beat area, according to Kuldiha forest ranger Subrat Behera. Ranger Behera explained that the cameras were installed yesterday under the supervision of the newly posted DFO. Local informers also assisted in locating the accused and the hidden weapons, allowing authorities to recover all incriminated items. In the first phase, 30 cameras were installed across Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary, covering up to a kilometer radius each. These advanced devices are expected to strengthen monitoring, deter poaching, and ensure rapid detection of anyone attempting to enter the sanctuary illegally.
आमर जो एबे नुआ डीएफओ सार आछंती से बहुत एक्टिव प्रोटेक्शन माइंड लोक तांकर तत्वावधान आज आम काली गत रात आम ट्रेस करूँ जो एआई कैमेरा जो फोटो उत्तोलन होता से आधार कर दीटा एक्यूज को धराई तो फोटो उत्तोलन होता तो ताको आम ट्रेस करके धराई मोर लोकल सोर्स रु आम सोर्स अच्छा गाँव में से सोर्स को आम लगेलु से सोर्स आमको आइडेंटिफाई कहला पर आम पुलिस एवं इंडिपेंडेंट विटनेस नहीं आम धरतलु एवं धरिकी से जो बंधुक लुचेते से जगह को नहीं जाते बंधुक से जंगल भितर लुचेते गोटे गछ तले लुचेते आ फास गुड़ा भी से गछ उपर टांगी देते गोटे बंधुक दीटा शिकारी एवं अन्य आइटम सब जब